Greetings. My name is Paul Chase, real estate consultant with AARE, and here's what's happening this week in Lancaster County real estate. Interest rates for the 30-year conforming finished the week slightly higher, while FHA loans dropped a tad. Now, the spread between the mortgage rate and the 10-year Treasury got a little bit wider, which is not good for buyers. Experts are split on what action the Fed will take in the coming weeks. Personally, I don't look for interest rates to come down anytime soon. So buyers, if you can do it, I'd be pulling the trigger now. And if not, continue to save cash and improve credit. Now, most of my data comes from Altos Research because they're the only provider that gives weekly updates. They divide the single-family detached homes into 4 price bands. And in our area, you can see where the median or the middle price point is for each of those bands. So you can see we're still having incredibly short days on market for anything in the lowest price band. The middle gets a little more balanced, but it's still very definitely in the favors the sellers. And we're seeing a very balanced market in the upper half of the market tiers. Now, Altos defines a balanced market as a market index score of anything above 30 is a seller's market. A balanced market is around 30, and anything below 30 is a buyer's market. We're not anywhere close to that except at the very upper, most expensive properties. The lower price points are still a very strong seller's market, although it has started to slow just a touch. If the interest rates continue to rise, we might be able to see this decline a little bit, but we should also see inventory stay on the market just a little bit longer. What's going to happen? I don't know. But given that we're coming to the end of the buying season, school's getting ready to start, many buyers are going to be exiting the market just simply because school's going to start. We should expect to see activity taper off for the rest of the year. As you can see, the prices across the board have pretty much continued their steady uphill climb. The interest rates, while getting higher and pushing some of the buyers out of the market, haven't had a strong impact yet on list prices. So I don't really expect this to change. The buyers that are in the market are still working. They have the capital or the access to capital, and demand is as strong as ever. Switching over now to inventory, which is almost all important these days. We're seeing that overall inventory has been holding pretty flat, both in the 7-day and the 90-day averages. So market activity is still holding. It's starting to taper off just a little bit, but interest rates and pricing hasn't had a huge effect. Again, we still have way too many people chasing way too few houses. That's what's happening this week in Lancaster County, PA residential real estate. If you have any questions about investing, buying, selling, we're also looking at adding some lending capability here in the next couple of weeks. So if you have any questions along those lines, please reach out to me, give me a call, and I'll be happy to talk with you. Thanks again for watching, and make it a great day.